Hello there, beautiful creative human, and welcome to my little cozy art spot. Grab yourself a cuppa. And today, really, this video is for you if you really love painting. You have this kind of affinity to painting. You know that you love art, but you keep on hitting the same roadblocks with your artwork. Perhaps it's that you can follow along with tutorials, but then when it comes to painting your own original unique idea or from your own reference photo, it might not go quite right. Perhaps you feel a little bit lost when it comes to colour mixing or what order to do what in your painting. Perhaps you're just not happy with the art that you make currently. Now, I remember those feelings all too well. In fact, in this very spot 10 years ago, you'd have found me sat on the floor crying again over another piece of artwork that I felt very embarrassed about making. And it wasn't because I didn't have the desire. I had so much inspiration and desire to create beautiful art, but I didn't have the skills to match that. And it left me feeling very lost for a long time. I was like, what is it that these amazing artists online have that I don't? You know, what are they doing? I would even zoom into their pictures on Instagram, trying to figure out clues of, have they been to art school? Is it a specific supply that they're using? And so I all too well know that feeling and how discouraging that really is. But the thing is, it really doesn't rely on talent. So don't feel discouraged if you feel like you haven't yet got the skills or you're not yet making artwork that you love. Please don't worry. In fact, you're my favorite kind of person, because what I discovered over this time period of how to improve my artwork and the difference in my art, and it happened very quickly as well. And now this is a method I love to share with others and watch them grow as artists as well. And many people have been through this process and getting amazing results and finally feeling that confidence and joy from their artwork, and enjoying the process of creating more too. Because when you feel confident about the outcome, you actually relax a lot more and really enjoy painting. And we kind of get to be that true artist in creative flow. So if that's sort of what you're looking for, I'd love to share this method with you. I very often think of it like baking. You know, when you're baking a cake, you actually need the ingredients, but you also need to know how to put them together in the right order. And that is so similar to painting. Painting isn't just about painting, it's actually made up of specific ingredients that all paintings need, and a method to put those ingredients together in the right order. Now, that's exactly what I'm going to be sharing with you in this free masterclass, Create Art You Love. It's happening on Monday, the 16th of March. And I really, really would love it if you were there with us. It's not just a video to watch, it's going to be a live interactive class with a Q&A section. There's a workbook that you can follow through. And honestly, the feedback from this class is amazing. Not only are people getting loads of inspiration from it, but they're also getting a really clear, solid plan of what to do next in their artwork. And so I think you'd really love it, and it would be fantastic for you to join us. I'll pop the link to register down below in the description box and the comment, because it is going to be a private class. It's not going to be out just on YouTube. It's going to be just for those registered, so that we keep it a really nice, safe, encouraging space just for those people that really want to be there. And hopefully that's you. So we'd love to see you there, and make sure to register with the link below, and I'll send you all the info that you need by email. So yeah, thank you so much for watching. I wish you a beautiful creative day ahead, and I'll see you in the class. Bye.